Good morning, thanks for joining us. It's a very, very good morning. Big Kid featuring Pieter T, that there. And we've got the man alive in the studio, Pieter T. Good morning, brother.
Good morning. Nobody told me that coffee was going to be super ridiculous hot.
And this is kind of funny because our aircon's kind of broken at the moment, which is why we've got the door wide open. So there's
I get what it is now. Aircon's broken, hot coffees, you're the devil.
You assigned it to illegal music.
Yep,
When did this all happen?
It happened after I just got back from the States earlier this year. I asked them if I could come and hop on the label, and boom, here I am.
Does this make things easier, or does this give you more?
Hugely. Like the weight seriously has been lifted off my shoulders for having to do so many things, and it's tough, man. It's tough to remain creative while you're still trying to handle the business.
Something that Jandals always talks about when he mentions your name, the softness of your hands.
Yeah, do you moisturize? Because you have the softest hands out of all
Hey
the
man,
artists.
I got calluses here, bro. Look, you can feel them. Both of you guys can feel these are calluses.
I've got a lot of friends who are like builders, who are like mechanics. Their hands are always dirty, filthy, and like hard, but they're like hard working men's hands. You've got like artist hands. It's got to be said.
How do you want me to respond to that?
I don't know.
I feel like I've come on here and you're trying to kill me and diss me at the same time.
It's the roast.
Trying to burn me and then like burn me emotionally. Like, what are you doing to me, bro? Why did I even come here? I might as well just go home.